Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold. Guys, what am I expecting on gold? If you watch my previous analysis on gold, I said I'm expecting gold to at least push to around my 1810.98, around that area right there. And my reason was because we can see we broke this zone right here. We broke the zone to come back to retest. So I'm still seeing a possibility of it pushing down here. That's a possibility I'm seeing, but we can see that the way it's kind of ranging, right, we might push a little bit to the upside. And because we are currently around my negative 27% fib level right now, there's a possibility for a short reversal before we now continue to push to the downside. So now my thought on gold is we might actually push up a little bit to this trend line right here to give me a touch of a trend line. Then we might now continue to push to the downside. So if you look at the bigger time frame, if we're still having more buy sell momentum, right, my next possible target will be my negative 61.8% fib level, which is 1764.68. around this area right here will be my overall TP on sell right now. But like we know that this is a way too much, so we have to take it one step at a time. So we might still get to that level right here, but at least let's get to the first level before we now see more levels. So now let's see how that is going, guys. We can see that it's kind of giving me a chubby move right here. We can see something like this. I see an impulse here. It's kind of a descending pattern right here, so there's a possibility for it to push to the downside, because we know like the descending chart pattern is a reversal pattern. So it's a reversal pattern, and we know the reverse of a down direction is an uptrend. So there's a possibility that we might push to the upside. And another confluence is we are currently around my negative 27% fib level zone, which is like a reversal zone for me as well. So those are the confluences I'm seeing that we might actually continue to push to the downside, to the upside a little bit, just to retrace, because we've been on a down move before we now continue to push to the downside. And we can see that more of this sell, there's no strong sell momentum yet. Anything can happen, but as of right now there's no strong momentum here. It's kind of like choppy, kind of, you can see how it's reacting around this area. So there's a possibility it might retrace a little bit to gather more momentum before we now continue to push to the downside. That's a thought that I'm seeing on gold, guys. We can see that gold almost got to our target. We were currently around, we retraced around 815ish. I think this was around 815. We are almost at our target before we now continue to push to the upside, so which is okay. Now let's see how that goes. I think we might come up a little bit, or we might just continue to push to the downside. So I'm going to put both my scenarios right here. I think there's a possibility of it coming here right here to steal my target, and there's a possibility if you push to the upside, right, something like this, like this. Let me give it a okay. If you push to the downside, to the upside, sorry, this will be my possible targets right here. So my first target will be my negative 27% fib level, which is around this area right here. So right here will be a possible target. Then my next target will be my negative 27%, my 16.8% fib level, because of that touch of trail line right here, and that aligns really well with that. So let me extend this a little bit. So that would be my thought. We might just push down maybe around here to give us like a touch of something, and push to this upside right here. That would be my first target, like I said. And if we still have more momentum, then we might just get to my trend line touch and my -1.8 touch before we now continue to zoom to the downside. So let's watch and see what happens on gold, guys. This is my scenario. Hope you find it helpful, guys. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.